W11, the Karachi tram, was launched by the Minister for the Commonwealth Games, Justin Madden. And it ran for the 2 weeks of the Commonwealth Games around the city circle line. And it was a huge hit. Part of the tram conducting on the Karachi W11 tram was to mimic what the conductors do in Karachi. And so we'd jump out of the tram as people were coming in and we'd call the stops, W11, 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 W11. Once everyone was inside, we'd do what the Karachi conductors do, bang the side of the bus and then head back inside the tram. W11 is now housed as a permanent exhibit at the Melbourne Tram Museum.